My only intentions. Shout out to your mom and dad for making you. Standing ovation, they did a great job raising you.
You know what, man? My puro le na bekla you know. My channel bo mo si sol la. Avec puro. You know what it is? I'm my fucking birthday.